Hello, my name is Christina Reese, and I am here to share with you some really amazing information if you are a stamper. During the month of May, Stampin' Up! Has decided to offer an amazing special for joining. The regular joining, is always been for $99 free shipping. You get $125 worth of product of your own choosing, a paper pumpkin, and free shipping. I think I already said that. The extra special on top of that for the month of May is the new in colors. They are giving you where's my hand? There it is. 5 in color stamp pads. And let me show those to you real quick. All right, so there is the Orchid Oasis. There is the Starry Night. There is the Sweet Sorbet. There is the Tranquil Tide, and there is the Parakeet Party. So those are the 5 stamp pads that they're giving you. They're also giving you the cardstock and the designer paper. So they give you a pack of the cardstock in the in colors and the designer paper. Isn't that beautiful? I love designer paper. What are the benefits for joining Stampin' Up? Well, I could go on forever on the benefits of joining Stampin' Up, but I will do a few highlights. The first highlight is just being a part of Stampin' Up. The online community is amazing. We have private Facebook groups, plus during conventions, which this year we're going back to in-person, face-to-face live conventions, where you can meet demonstrators from all over the world. It's so amazing. Then there is the continued discount. So as a demonstrator, I personally, anytime I buy a stamp set for myself, I get 25% off. Now, I started at 20%, but my title, I've advanced in title, and I now get 25% off anything I order out of the catalog. I also get to order early. So this new catalog that's going live tomorrow, May 3rd, I got to start ordering on April 1st. I love that benefit. That is one of the best. Let's see, what else? So it's an amazing company. Oh, we have special events. So an event that's coming up is called Create Now, and it's a 4-hour event that demonstrators are getting together online to create, and it's being led by the leaders of Stampin' Up. No business, it's just purely creating. So excited about that. So we have special events, I already mentioned our conferences. Early shopping, you get to order early from the catalogs. You get a continued discount, 20% off of all the catalog items in the catalog, and even up to 25% if you advance in title. And then also, if you do want to make this a business, you don't have to. They have amazing training. Okay, so you can join either as a business person who wants to work Stampin' Up! As a business and you sell their product and you earn an income, or you are your own customer. In other words, you buy from yourself. Nobody else is buying from you. You don't advertise it. You don't ask people to buy from you. You just buy for yourself. You still get the discount. You still qualify for host rewards. All of that stuff. You just do it for yourself. That's pretty exciting. Now, another benefit of joining Stampin' Up! Is being a part of my personal team. My team, we are called Reese's Paper Pieces, and that's just a silly play on my name. My name's Christina Reese. I have a private Facebook group. My team members, we get together once a month via Zoom, and we stamp together. I do a mystery stamping, plus I do a little business training. I specialize in YouTube videos, and so if that's something you might be interested in learning how to do, card tutorials on YouTube, I can help you with that. I've been doing that for 5 years. And let's see, what else do we do? Oh, I recognize and give awards for my top sales and my title advancements. People who do that. And then, you also get my tutorials, which you can use for your own classes, or you could just use them for your personal use. So you get that, and then you also get me as a personal coach and leader. I love being a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I have so much fun. I've been doing over for 5 years. I have a team of over 40 people, and that's just my first line. Then my first line that has team. Those are part of my team too. So it's pretty exciting. It's a great opportunity. I hope you will seriously consider it, especially if your wish list for this new catalog is over $99. You can just join and then drop, or you can join and continue by putting in your minimum orders of 300 every 3 months. So if you did join in May and you wanted to continue after September, okay, so when you join in May, you get all of the benefits through the end of September, no matter what, okay? But after September, if you want to continue, you will have had to put in at least $300 in sales, not one sale, but many sales added up to 300. You can have other people order from you, and that includes in it. So either your own personal sales or the sales that people buy from you has to be up to $300 by the end of September. Okay, and if you like, let's say you only put in $175 up, and that's all you wanted and you didn't want any more, then you just don't get up to the 300 and they just drop you. They say you have dropped and you become inactive and you just resort back to being a regular customer. So there's no penalties. It's just Stampin' Up's way of saying how important the stamping community is. And they would just love to have you. I would love to have you. So message me. You can email me at Christina@creatingwithchristina.com, or you can message me via Facebook Messenger, or leave a comment here. However you want to communicate with me. If you're interested, I will send you more information. All right, you all have a blessed time. Happy stamping, and until next time.